Hey YouTube, Steven TheSalonGuy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be discussing getting a haircut with me. Now, if you're watching from anywhere else in the world other than the United States, which is where I'm located, it might be kind of a challenge to get a haircut with me. And I get dozens and dozens of people that want haircuts from me. They reach out to me, they email me, and I'm sorry if I can't get to you. A lot of you want hair advice directly from me. You want my expertise, you want to know what haircut looks best on you, you want hair questions, all these great things, and how could we do it? There's no way to do it. Well, first of all, I charge $75 for a men's haircut and $150 for a women's haircut. So how can you actually get a hold of me if you live in another country? Well, now through this amazing app that I've been talking about for a while now, it's finally available and it's on the Apple App Store. It's called Magnifi. And Magnifi literally allows anyone from all over the world to get direct contact with me through your mobile phone, through the app, a video call one-on-one. You actually pay for my time, my private time through the phone per minute, and you can get me for however long you want. And I'm so excited that this is finally here because now all of you guys can ask me that advice. You can get me through a video call. I can look at your hair, and you know what? You're paying for my time because I've been a professional for over 20 years. And just like you, if you're a professional or you're doing something, you're going to school for it, you need to get paid for your time. So now it's finally available, and I want you guys to watch this really cool video that Magnifi put together. Hey everyone, I'm Steven TheSalonGuy, 20+ year hairstylist, content creator, and entrepreneur. Magnifi is a free app that allows users to connect with experts in real time, anywhere, anytime. Being a professional hairstylist and being a worldwide recognized brand, I get people on a daily basis that want professional hair advice from me. I can charge them per minute, anywhere, anytime. Magnifi is going to change the way you think about mentorship and education. It's like having an expert, a mentor, or a coach, you name it, right there in your pocket, available to talk to you in real time. So how is this gonna help you guys that are experts? Well, anytime, any place you want, you now have the opportunity to connect with people that are looking for your expertise. Magnifi is currently available for iPhone users. Magnify your business, magnify your life. All right, if you're going to the App Store, currently it's available on iOS. Android is coming out soon, but if you search for Magnifi, you're going to see the app right here, and then here it is, and you can download it. And then once you download it, you basically, if you're an expert, you can register as an expert, or if you are looking for expertise or looking to get a hold of me, you can just simply type in TheSalonGuy and press search, and there I am. So you can get a hold of me. You basically click on my name and you can follow me. There I am, and you can see how much I charge per minute. You can book a call with me. You can do chat. It's really, really amazing, and I'm really excited that this is finally here. So this just isn't available to people like myself that are hairstylists, but if you're an expert in fitness or nutrition, or you want to give any sort of wellness advice, or if you know languages, and there's a whole range of technology and business and really great things that you can sign up as for free as an expert to give that advice, and you can charge for what you're worth in a very legitimate, amazing way. And if you're looking for those expertise pieces of information from experts, then you can use the app to get that information. Finally, I'm so excited about Magnifi, and any questions, let me know. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you on Magnifi.